Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a trading strategy recap for Thursday the 2nd of July. And today was one of those days. It was one of those days where the market moved very nicely and we actually gave back a little bit of money. Those days are going to happen. You're not going to have every day that's just going to be phenomenal. If the market moves over 5 points, you're going to have a phenomenal day. It doesn't work like that. Trading is not like that. So today the market moved very nicely. And if we look at it, the high was up here at 2077 and the low came in at 2065. About 12 points. So taking a half a tick off would be 11.5 points. That's a lot of market movement between 9:30 and 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock comes right in here, but the low was a little bit before 12. So days like this are days where, we can look and reflect on what actually happened, what we did, were the trades actually good trades, or, did I let, maybe I wasn't totally in tune with the market, confused a little bit. That's what days like today are. You look at them, learn from them, keep going. And I always talk about trying to be as consistent as possible, trying to make money consistently. And in doing that, we also try to mitigate our risk. So that way, when we do lose money, it's going to be a small sum of money. So in theory, we trade for 20 days, we're able to make enough money so that the losses that we do have are very small fraction of that, and then the money that we make, we're able to live on and go do fun things that we want to do. That's what trading is all about. So anyway, let's talk about what we actually did. Today our first trade came in right over here at a little after 10. We ended up getting long right up here, and we were out on this pop-up. We were out right there. Market did chop around a little bit, and we decided to get long right in here, which turned out to be a horrible idea because we got stopped out slightly afterwards. And then we watched price chop around a little bit more and a little bit more as it came down and chopped around, and we decided, okay, let's get short right here, and we ended up taking profit down here as price started moving lower. Actually, it was right here, 5.5 to be exact. So price came down a little more, chopped, came back up, and then it actually, after we closed the room, came down a little bit more. So that was interesting. We look at the day, basically it's going to come out, a few ways. We're either going to make money, we're not going to make money, or we're going to break even. Most of the time, there is no break even unless you just don't make a trade. Because if you make a trade, even if you break even on that trade, you still have commission to deal with. Commission is negligible. Hundreds of years ago, people were paying a couple $100, maybe a little bit more per contract, per side. Think about it now. We're paying $2-3 per side. It's basically nothing. We could take a tick out of the market and still make money. Not a lot, but we can still make money by doing that. Now, I don't condone making a strategy to take a tick out of the market, because you're going to have to risk a lot more, and that's just not really conducive to overall P&L health. But it gives you something to think about. So anyway, hopefully you got something out of what I was talking about today. If you want to add to the discussion, comment section below. With that, thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.